Hi everyone, welcome back to Nana Kay's Kitchen. Tonight I'm making a very easy garlic shrimp scampi. What I'm doing right now, I cut up I love garlic and my husband does too, so I did about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped up. You can also use the refrigerated garlic and of course measure it to what it says on the jar. And while that softens up with 2 tablespoons of butter, after it softens up, I'm going to put in my beautiful shrimp. Now, I always have frozen shrimp in the freezer. Why? Because when you're not sure what to cook, you always have frozen shrimp. So what I'm going to be doing is, once this garlic is softened up in the 2 tablespoons of butter, I'm going to throw this shrimp in. And a lot of your recipes call for, shrimp that's, fresh shrimp. But like I said, I usually like to have some in the freezer. So that's going in the 2 tablespoons of butter. And what I did was I love to season it with this Old Bay seasoning and some pepper. And then I got some red pepper flakes that I'm going to just crunch up in here. It gives it a little kick. If you don't want red pepper, you don't have to. Then I'm going to let this just simmer a little and throw in about a couple tablespoons. What I do is squeeze it into my measuring jar. A couple tablespoons of lemon. And I'm going to put in the rest of the butter. It's another 4 tablespoons. Yes, I know it's a lot of butter, but that's what it's all about. It's delicious when it's all cooked up together. And just to make it, give it a little seafood flavoring, I like to use the Snow's clam juice. I'm going to throw that in. And I'm going to let this melt together. I have a pan ready here, ready to boil some linguine or spaghetti. And we're just going to have a very easy peasy dinner of garlic shrimp scampi. I hope you have a blessed day.